Filing for Social Security disability benefits can be a daunting task. Discovering that you've been denied can be equally as overwhelming. This is where a lawyer can play a huge role in not only helping you get your claim, but help you get some relief from doing this process alone. Now, a frequent question we get is, why was I denied Social Security disability? Well, in this segment, I'm going to answer that question for you and give you some suggestions on what you can do next. First, let's take a look at the process for filing for Social Security disability. You must first file an application with information, including your educational history, your work history, medical history. Social Security will request information of both your medical and non-medical status. Both medical and non-medical criteria are used to determine whether or not you are disabled under Social Security rules. If you're denied, you have options. You have the opportunity to appeal and file a request for reconsideration. And this is where a lawyer who understands and is an expert in Social Security disability comes into play. If you're denied a second time, you can have the option to appeal and file a request for a hearing in front of an administrative law judge. At this hearing, you will have the opportunity to present your reasons as to why you're entitled to benefits, including how the disability affects your everyday life. If you're denied after this hearing, you have the opportunity to appeal to the Appeals Council and even the United States District Court for additional review. All these processes we fully explain and guide our clients through every step of the way. And there is no need for you to walk in the dark in what is already a very complicated process. So why should you even contact a lawyer if you've been denied Social Security disability? Well, an attorney serves as your liaison between the Social Security Administration and you, the person applying for benefits. An attorney will represent you at a hearing and is trained to ask questions and be in court. Now, an attorney will gather relevant medical records and bills and highlight those to the court. An attorney will also help by filing appeals and related medical updates, employment updates, gather recommendations from your doctors. Okay? An attorney will help guide you through the process, which can take several years. And frequent questions clients have asked about Social Security disability benefits are, how long does it take? Well, it can usually take at least 2 to 3 years until we receive a notice to attend a hearing. Another question, do I need to go to the doctor? Yes, it's important to have regular medical treatment. We can refer clients to clinics in their area who may be able to help on a low-cost basis. Another question, what if I want to work? Well, to receive Social Security disability benefits, you cannot engage in substantial gainful activity and you cannot earn more than $1,090 a month or you will not qualify on an income basis. Here's another question. What should I expect at a hearing? Well, be prepared to provide a full explanation of your disability and fully disclose all information to the Social Security Administration, including drug and alcohol use. Now, we also have heard a lot of misconceptions about Social Security disability benefits that I do want to take a minute to explain in detail. Social Security disability is not a fast process. You must be prepared to wait. You must go to treatment first for your own good. Secondly, the judges want to see that you have taken an interest in looking after yourself. Age is indeed a factor in Social Security disability, and per Social Security rules, the younger you are, the more likely you're able to work some sort of job. And contrary to belief, the Social Security Administration only allows for payment of back benefits up to 1 year prior to the date of the application. Now, supplemental Social Security income and supplemental and Social Security disability, these are two different programs. Well, what is the difference between SSI and SSDI? Social Security disability insurance pays benefits to you and certain members of your family if you are insured, meaning that you worked long enough and paid Social Security taxes. Supplemental Security income, SSI, pays benefits based on financial need. An experienced attorney can evaluate the case and determine which program you may qualify for based upon current work status, the length of time the individual worked prior to becoming disabled, the length of time the claimant expects the disability to exist before they can go back to work, and your actual disabilities, and there are other factors. Okay? But if you or a loved one has been denied Social Security disability benefits, or if you're even considering the application process, don't do it alone. Please do not delay in seeking expert legal help. You owe it to yourself, to your family, to your loved ones to call a lawyer to discuss the specific facts of your claim. The easiest thing that you can do is pick up the phone and give us a call to discuss your claim. The number is 770-934-8000. The call is free, it's completely confidential, and there is no obligation whatsoever. A lot of times people worry, hey, can I afford an attorney? The way we work for you, we don't get paid unless we get a recovery for you. Again, you have no risk. But please, you're taking on all kinds of risk if you go through the application process by yourself. All right, so give us a call. The number again is 770-934-8000. The toll-free number is 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. The law offices of Gary Martin Hayes & Associates. Go to GaryMartinHayes.com to learn more, and we will be right back after this.